Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand name Aveeno. This is their Calm and Restore Nourishing PHA Exfoliator. I paid $13 for this product and we get 118 ml product. This product is fragrance free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens, silicones and SLS in cleansers, this is SLS, paraben and silicone free as well. And if I'm not wrong, Aveeno is not cruelty free. Second ingredient in this product is sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil is nourishing, it's moisturizing. This also has oat oil. Oat oil is also nourishing and moisturizing. Oat oil is also soothing and calming. This has another ingredient that is soothing and calming. This has allantoin and this also has glycerin. Glycerin is a great humectant. And the PHA they used in this product is gluconolactone. PHAs are not only hydrating and moisturizing, but they also exfoliate the top layer of your skin. PHAs are bigger in size. They don't penetrate deep into our skin. They are more sensitive skin friendly. If you have really sensitive skin and you have hyperpigmentation, if you have dark spots, if you have acne, if your acne healed with redness, and you tried AHAs in the past and they were too irritating, PHAs are more sensitive skin friendly. You can give PHA a try. So let's talk about my experience with this product. I love this Calm and Restore skincare line from Aveeno. So I was really excited to try this product. Aveeno is selling this product as an exfoliating cleanser. They said you can use this on damp skin or you can use this on dry skin. In the beginning, when I started using this product, I was a little confused because when you use this product on damp skin, this emulsifier, it doesn't stay on your skin. And when you use it on dry skin, because the consistency is like a lotion, your skin absorbs this product like a lotion. In the beginning, I was really confused how to use this product. I'm almost done with it, by the way, and this is how I used it. So I apply this product on my face when my skin is dry. In my experience, this works better when your skin is dry. I apply this product on my face, avoiding the eye area. I don't apply it around my eyes. I apply it on my whole face. I massage this product on my skin for like 15 to 20 seconds. In 15 to 20 seconds, your skin is going to absorb this product. Yes, this product is a little weird. Your skin is going to absorb this product. You're going to leave this product on your skin for like 1 to 2 minutes after your skin will absorb it, and then you can rinse it with just water. This will be your cleansing plus exfoliating step. Again, apply it on dry skin. Your skin is going to absorb this product in like 15 to 20 seconds, and then leave it on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinse it with water. In my experience, this works better when your skin is dry. When you apply this product on damp skin, this emulsifier, and it doesn't stay on top of your skin. So I liked using it when my skin was dry. Not only this product help with hyperpigmentation and dark spots, this also help brighten your overall complexion. And this product also help with whiteheads. If you tried AHA and BHA in the past and those products didn't work for you, then you can give this product a try. This is very gentle, sensitive skin friendly. I think you will really enjoy this. This exfoliating cleanser, this product, it'll leave your skin moisturized. You know, when you use oil cleanser or balm cleanser, they leave this moisturized feel behind. This product also leave this moisturized feel behind. So I think this will be a good option for people who have sensitive and dry skin. I think they will really enjoy this product. If you have oily skin, you can give this product a try. But if you live in a very hot and humid country and you have oily skin, I don't think you will enjoy this product because of that moisturized feel this product leave behind. In the beginning, use it 3 times a week. See how your skin react to this product. This product is really gentle. I was using it every single day without any issue. So use it 3 times a week in the beginning. See how your skin react to this product, and then you can use it every day. Again, it's very gentle. I think you can use this every day. My experience with this product was great. I will definitely repurchase this, and I will highly recommend you to give this one a try. If you have dry, sensitive skin and you want an exfoliating cleanser, I think you will really enjoy this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.